Hi everyone, welcome to LOOk's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect everyday look. Step 1. Start off with the LOOK Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer for a soft and smooth base for your makeup. This primer makes sure your makeup stays put all day long. Follow with the LOOK Silky Touch Foundation and apply with the LOOK's foundation brush for a perfect smooth complexion. LOOK's foundation brush is made from high quality nylon hair for a perfect distribution of pigment and for a smooth application of your foundation. After you have applied the foundation, we're going to go in with the LOOK's concealer to hide dark circles under your eyes and blemishes. LOOK's concealer is a creamy yet lightweight concealer for the perfect coverage. The unique formula with added minerals will melt into your skin to give a second skin effect. After applying the LOOK's concealer, we are going to go into the entire face with the LOOK's Sun Protector Powder for extra protection against harmful UV radiation. Step 2. Now we're going to add some colour back into the face. Apply the LOOK's Eye and Blush No. 1E Flamingo Matte on the apples of the cheeks with the LOOK's powder brush for a healthy, fresh look. Step 3. It's time to give our brows some attention now. Use the LOOK's Eyebrow Pencil to accentuate the eyebrows. Comb through the hairs to make sure they're in place with the attached brush for a defined look. The fine tip makes it possible to draw super fine lines onto the brow hairs to create that more natural effect. The unique colour pigments adjust to almost every hair colour for a natural accentuated eyebrow that will last up to 14 hours. Step 4. Apply the LOOK's eyeshadow No. 126 Sand Pearl on the entire eyelid as a base colour with the LOOK's eyeshadow brush. Step 5. When your base is set, go in with the LOOK's Eye and Blush No. 1E Flamingo Matte in the arch of your eye and in the outer corner. By using the LOOK's blender brush, use circular motions to get a smooth blend. Step 6. Apply the LOOK's eyeshadow No. 909 Seashell Pearl under the lower lash line with the LOOK's eyeshadow brush. The brush ensures a perfect distribution of pigment for a smooth eyeshadow application. Step 7. Finish the eye look with the LOOK's Mascara Ultra Lash for extreme dimension and perfectly separated eyelashes. Apply on the upper and lower lashes with a zigzagging motion to create that full, beautiful eyelash effect. Step 8. Let's put some glow back into the face, shall we? Use the LOOK's eyeshadow No. 908 Oyster Pearl as a highlighter on the cheekbones, on the brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes for a shimmering and glowing finish of your makeup look. Step 9. To accentuate the lip contour, use the LOOK's Velvet Lip Liner. Fill in the lips. This will make your lipstick last all day long. Continue with the LOOK's Lipstick No. 105 Pink Sand Matte. Use the LOOK's Lip Brush for ultra precision application. Do you prefer a shiny finish or more of a matte finish? Use the LOOK's Lip Gloss No. 30 Macaroon Pearl above the lipstick. This will give your lips even more volume and that perfect shine. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you next time.